In this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments on your TikTok videos. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so other people can find it. Open the TikTok app on your phone, then head to your profile at the bottom right. Once you see your profile, select the three lines that you will see at the top right corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, select Privacy again and scroll down to Interactions, then select Comments. Now, under Allow Comments From is where you can select who can comment on your TikTok videos. If you select the first option, then everyone that sees your videos will be able to comment on them. If you select Friends, only the people that you follow back can comment on your TikTok videos. But if you want no one to be able to comment on your videos, simply select No One. Close out this window, and now no one can comment on your TikTok videos. Hope that helps.